Our product might be AI, this intro might be AI, but everything else in this video will be 100% real. Okay, that was a little traumatizing.
प्रयागराज में महाकुंभ के टाइम कहते हैं कि 50 करोड़ लोग आने वाले हैं, यानी कि इस प्रयागराज के अंदर महाकुंभ के टाइम तुम पूरे 2 पाकिस्तान भर सकते हो।
ये इंडिया है।
Pakistan's population is 24 crore. Double it and you're still short of Mahakumbh. The number of people that attended this Mela is more than India's population during independence. 50 crore souls. Imagine every Olympic attendee in history crammed along 2 riverbanks. That's the scale. And there was 2 lakh crore in revenue generated. You know how much that is? It's enough to fund India's space program for 20 years. It wasn't just a Mela. It was a gold mine. It was a gold mine. It was a gold mine. IIT Delhi से CS करके tents बेच रहे हो? I lost count of how many times I got asked this question. But I couldn't miss this opportunity. It literally won't happen again for 144 years. This was my shot to prove that I could build something real, something that mattered. We didn't come to watch, we came to survive, to conquer, to walk out cheap. Prayagraj didn't really welcome us with open arms. It hit us like a truck. Our only mission was कि हम महाकुंभ में चलने नहीं देंगे. कैसे? देख लेंगे.
ये सच्ची में लग रहा है कि वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट गैदरिंग है।
I don't know what we were thinking. With no business experience, we just set out to take on the world's largest human gathering, trying to sell something just to prove to our investors that we can do business. But Prayagraj taught me quickly. Titles are bullshit. I was every job, the salesman, a tour guide, a housekeeper, a janitor even. We were doing this with no experience and barely any money. Just lucky partnerships and quick learning along the way. There's a lot more that we learned in the Mahakumbh Mela, and in this video, I'll share 5 more lessons from the biggest gamble of our lives. With 50 crore potential users, we had a great opportunity to understand the market, and this was the main insight that was slapped on our face constantly. While our limited yet expensive tents were selling out online through Instagram and WhatsApp, we struggled to fill our more affordable tents and dormitories. Why? Because most of the audience wasn't even ready to pay 200 rupees for a bed. Yeah, selling's tougher than it looks. Many nights we were out there like salesmen on the street ourselves, slapping up posters, yelling about boat rides, homestays and tents.
रूम डॉर्मेट्री,
रूम कमरा देख लीजिए, कमरा।
भाई कसम से भाई, यहाँ पे ऐसे घूम के रूम बोल के रियल इंडिया दिख जाता है।
We're shouting, but most of these people aren't here to chat. They're here to survive. Just like us. We love talking about India's rising middle class, the unicorns, the aspirational spending. But on the ground, it's different. I met families who had saved for years for once naan. So the lesson? Don't build for the India you read about. Build for the India you meet. We could either have planned and thought about a bunch of ideas or get on the ground and start executing. We chose the latter and we figured everything out on the go. It was all about giving everyone the best experience possible. One place that I loved showing people was the Digital Kumbh Experience Center. This place didn't even feel like Prayagraj. It felt like Dubai or Singapore.
ये हिस्ट्री की क्लास नहीं है। दिस इज लाइक अ वर्चुअल जर्नी जो तुम्हें हजारों साल पीछे ले जाती है।
But the Mela tour was a different beast altogether.
तो अब शुरू हो गए अखाड़े।
Anything could go wrong anytime.
यहाँ पे कुंभ आप हर बार आते हैं?
यहाँ आ जा बुलाया ना तो अंदर आ।
और बाबा जी आपसे एक सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ
हाँ पूछ सकते हैं।
मैं? महाकुंभ क्यों आते हैं सब?
कुंभ ही सब कुछ है, सब ये सब जुतिया है। इस कुंभ सबसे बड़ी वस्तु है,
हाँ
इससे बड़ा कोई, इसमें अमृत की बारिश होती है।
हाँ
तो अमृत के लिए सभी तड़प रहे हैं, तो बाकी सब चुदाई वाले हैं। हाँ सब गंदा झूठा, सब झूठा है सारा।
हाँ
कोई मनुष्य, हाँ ये सब साधुओं का माल खाने आए, ये कोई सेवा करने वाले नहीं।
मैं अपना बताऊँ, मैं तो यहाँ पे आया हूँ सिर्फ साधुओं से बात करने के लिए, जानने के लिए कि क्यों ऐसे लोग अपना सब कुछ त्याग के।
तुम लोग पढ़े लिखे नहीं हो क्या?
कितने साल लगेंगे इसके लिए?
हैं?
इतना मतलब
जीवन लग जाएगा तुम्हारा
स्ट्रांग होने के लिए?
हमारी उम्र जानता है,
कितनी आपकी
तजुर्बा
उम्र?
है तेरे को। हम लोगों की उम्र क्या होगी?
आप 50 साल के हैं?
ज़्यादा के
50 से भी ज्यादा?
66
66? बाप रे
60 में 66 6 साल बड़ा हूँ मैं इनसे।
आपकी फिटनेस अभी तक, मतलब ये जो नागा बाबा होते हैं वो वस्त्र क्यों त्याग देते हैं?
ये हम बाली होगी,
लेकिन
5 साल के बालक बन के रहते हैं मरते दम तक।
लेकिन ठंड या गर्मी?
अरे तो वही तो बाबागिरी है।
So we learned that we always had to be prepared with a plan B, C, D, E. You get me. We faced last minute guide cancellations, transport delays, and logistical nightmares. But here's the thing, no one cares about excuses. They care about experiences delivered as promised. Our lesson, ideas don't win, execution does. Move fast, adapt faster, deliver anyway.
बाबाओं के साथ काफी वार्तालाप करने के बाद पता चला हमें कि हमारा साथी कहीं खो गया है। 500-600 मीटर आगे है, अभी तो शाही स्नान भी नहीं है, हमारा साथी इतने कम भीड़ में खो गया। अब पता नहीं कहाँ पर होगा वो।
कुंभ के मेले में आ रहे हो ना, तो एक दूसरे को पकड़ के चले।
वो जो
वो देखो बोरा
थाल है लंगर खा रहा था। लंगर रुका था पीछे, ये लंगर देखिए,
ये देखो
पूरी और आलू खाने के लिए पीछे रुक गया था। क्या बोले भाई, अब चलो भाई चल, साथ में बांध के रखो इसको।
Trust isn't a buzzword, it's oxygen. One mistake and we'd suffocate. Trust is currency. People hand you their time, safety, and hard earned money in exchange of an expectation of a certain quality. Break it once, you're done. But deliver consistently and they'll bring others. We served over 1,000 customers, out of which over 50% came from word of mouth.
हाँ भी आपने पोस्टर देखा था? हाँ भी आपको रूम चाहिए?
Every nod, every smile. It's not about money, it's trust. One screw up and that smile of satisfaction will vanish. That wait kept me up at nights, apart from the late night check-ins and calls. I was basically a call center, but it's what made us who we are now. It drilled some insane fundamentals in my brain. We had 1,000 opportunities to build trust and 1,000 chances to lose it. We did make a few mistakes, but we kept improving each day. The lesson? Trust isn't built on marketing. It's built on moments. Small, consistent deliveries on big promises. We had a few days when cash was tight. A lot can go wrong in hospitality and we had some payments that were defaulted. Basically, guests बिना pay करे भाग गए. We had a few sleepless days and nights and I even had to borrow money to survive at one point. But कोई option नहीं था. We couldn't give up. So हमने लगाया जुगाड़. We teamed up with some big hospitality players, flipped their usual commission deal and got the green light to upsell their luxury tents and services. No inventory, no problem. We turned their assets into our lifeline, raking in more than we ever dreamed without owning a single tent. And hospitality is more than just rooms and room service. It's also about your experiences. And these extra services like tours, bikes and boat rides is where we really specialized in. So the lesson, it's better to be asset light in your early stage and you should leverage strategic partnerships to build a valuable product because at the end of the day, cash flow is king. Distribution and retention. Vanity metrics sound nice, but real indication comes only from these two. 100 customers that love what you do is much better than a million people that somewhat like what you do. Impact and growth come from depth, not shallow reach. But how did we build distribution with almost no money and unpredictable revenue? Well, mostly Instagram and Facebook initially. We figured that since the situation in the Mela is so dynamic, the main place people are getting their info was through social media. So our Instagram page basically became an information board about everything Mahakumbh with cinematic content. While creating content, we bumped into this 14-year-old kid, Yash Sanatani, who has 200,000 followers on Instagram, and he is on a mission to travel the entire country, that too on a cycle.
और तुम कितने साल के हो?
14 years
14 years. शुरू कब किया तुमने ये?
ये 8 महीने आज 27वां दिन 8 महीने 27वां दिन। ये मेरा टेंट है और ये मेरी साइकिल है।
कितना आगे सोचा तुमने? इंडिया के बाहर?
नहीं इंडिया के बाहर नहीं, इंडिया तो अपनी जान ही है।
Such collaborations sparked our reach, but retention, that's where we doubled down. Referrals flooded in, and our customer count more than doubled. Why? All because we were absolutely obsessed with customer satisfaction. In a Mela where millions walk hundreds of kilometers just for a snan, we made sure that ours didn't have to walk at all. 45 days of chaos, and we're still standing, alive, different. It's not just survival, it's ownership. There were days when I questioned my choices. Was this worth it? Why put myself through 20-hour days? Why choose discomfort when I could be doing something easier? But growth doesn't happen in comfort. It happens in chaos, challenges, and pushing through when you want to quit. Mahakumbh tested us, broke us, built us, and now here we are. We served over 1,000 customers, turned chaos into cash, and built something that no textbook could ever teach us. And we're not done. We are.
Technology has evolved rapidly over the years, but hotel phones are the same. Big, clunky, full of buttons, and so much work. Travel shouldn't feel like work, but the post-booking scenario is a mess. You book a hotel, and then comes the pain of managing and juggling multiple apps for bookings, activities, the endless list goes on. Stop! Introducing the future of travel with Travel Studio, the AI platform transforming how you vacation. Built for guests and hotels in the agentic era. Get Travel Studio and relax, as it seamlessly delivers all your needs round the clock without downloading anything, all in the comfort of your voice and WhatsApp. Do you think you lose access if you're miles away from your hotel? Guess what? We've got you covered. Still think you need more? Well, not your average AI wrapper. It empowers hotels with a fleet of AI employees that ensures guests can easily check in digitally, get instant answers, order room service, book amenities, explore experiences, and make reservations throughout the city. You can literally find anything, anytime, and in any language around the globe. It solves all queries of travelers and makes it easy for hotel. Need a romantic rooftop dinner? Just say it. All by voice or text, just by a tap. So when travelers have to choose among hotels, Guide XP hotels stand out. Planning a getaway? Get Guide XP. Own a hotel? Get Guide XP. Travel should feel seamless and unforgettable. Guide XP makes sure it does.
Guide XP's next chapter is bigger, bolder, and wilder. Mahakumbh was just the beginning. We have a lot of stuff coming out soon, so subscribe if you don't want to miss out on exciting experiences and getaways. Also, we're expanding our team, so if you want to join, check out the link in the description to see if you'd be a good fit. And if you want to plan a personalized getaway or join one where you can meet like-minded travelers and make new friends along with unforgettable memories, you should head on to guidexp.com.
हमें अपना गाइड सबसे बढ़िया लगा, सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी मेरे को इसी के है, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Because we are not stopping, and you shouldn't either.